Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have created this Deepika Padukone inspired look she was wearing in this year's Cannes. So I try to recreate that look. So if you guys want to know how I will create this look, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So my face is prepared, like I have already moisturized. Next, I'm going to use this My Glam Spotlight Illuminating Liquid. This is like a primer. It is going to give a glow to my face. It has a little bit of shimmer particles in it. Next, I'm going to take this foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is slightly matte foundation, so I'm going to apply it in dots and all over my face. Then I'm going to take this brush from Mass Cosmetics. These are the new set brushes. I have reviewed this, so check it out. And I'm going to blend it using the brush. Next, I'm going to take this foundation contour stick from NOI Bay. It is in the shade Toffee. It is quite dark. I am going to use it as to add some contour to my face. Then I'm going to blend this using the concealer brush from Mass Cosmetics. Next, I'm going to take concealer. I'm going to use this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Apply it in all the areas wherever I like to get more coverage, because I am doing smoky, so I need to make sure the center portion of my face is a little bit bright. Then my eye makeup is going to pop. Then I'm going to use a beauty sponge, makeup sponge you can say, which is from, I think it is from Sigma Beauty, and I'm going to blend it to highlight the center portion of my face, because the eye makeup is heavy today, so I want to add more highlighted effect. So I have added the lighter shade under my eyes, in the forehead, and then I'm going to take the same foundation brush and blend the edges, like everything looks seamless. Next, I'm going to take this powder from Milani. You can take any other powder. I have this powder, and this powder is quite good to give coverage, and it is going to highlight. And I have to finish this powder, so I took this powder. And I'm going to bake under my eyes. I'm going to put excess of powder under my eyes. Next, you know the drill. I'm going to do my brows using this Sugar Cosmetics brow definer. I love to use this, and then I'm using a mascara to hold my brows. So this is all same. If you want a brow tutorial, check out my video where I have defined I'll put a link of that in this page. There I have explained how I like to do the brows in details. Next, today I'm going to take this palette from Huda Beauty. This is the Mercury Retrograde palette. I thought like maybe she has used this palette, our makeup artist, because she has a little bit of green, dark green and green in her eyelid. So I thought let's use this. So first I'm going to take the shade Karma, and using that shade I'm going to apply it on my crease using a brush from Mass Cosmetics. These are one of the new brushes. And then taking one more fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the edges. Also, I'm going to take the shade Momentum, which is a yellow pinkish based powder. I'm going to set it under my brows. Next, I'm going to take this Kajal from Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal. I love this Kajal. It is quite intense, creamy, applies quickly, and it is perfect for my eyelid. So I'm going to apply this in my upper eyelid and my lower lash line, because I want a smoky effect. So this is good to apply. And then I'm going to take an angle brush and blend the edges. I'm going to leave this inner portion of my eyelid because I don't want to make it the inner portion dark, so I kept it empty. Slowly I'm going to blend it. So next I'm going to take the shade Vortex, which is a very deep dark shade of the palette, and I'm going to blend the edges of that kajal so that everything looks smooth. I'm going to apply it both upper and lower lash line, and also I'm going to apply the shade Hot Mesh on my lower lash line. Next I'm going to use the shade Mercury, which is a beautiful glittery shade. It's a very beautiful pink. It has a little bit of purple, blue, a lot of color it has. It's a beautiful shade, and the glitters are fine, very small particles, so I'm going to apply it in my upper eyelid, and you need very little bit of it. This is very beautiful shiny glitter. Then I'm going to take the shade Nebula, which is a little bit lighter, you can say sky blue. It has a lot of particles in it. Some looks purpley blue, beautiful shimmer it is, and I'm going to apply a little bit of it in the center portion of my eyelid. It is going to pop my eyelid, otherwise the earlier one shade of glitter is going to make it total dark, so this is going to pop it. Next I have finished the other eye also and remove the baking under my eyes. Next I am going to take this Natasha Denona Bronze and Glow Tan palette. So I am going to take this glittery shade, beautiful finely melt glitter, and I'm going to apply some glow to my face, and also I'm going to use this glow to my inner corners of my eyes and all the areas wherever I like to add some glow. So next I'm going to take the bronzy shade, the bronze powder, and apply it on my cheekbones, nose, wherever I have added contour. Next for lips I have used this Mars lip palette in the shade 01, and first I'm going to take this lighter shade. She was wearing a very nude lips, and also with this kind of eyes, nude looks very beautiful. So, and then I'm going to set my face using a face mist from, this is a makeup fixer from Faces Canada. So to pair up with this look, I have taken this earrings. It looks good with that. So yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.